12回戦を行います。赤コーナー116ポンド山野さんフィリピン、 WBO アジアパシフィックバンタム級7位、東洋太平洋バンタム級1位、ケネス・ラマ。
Desde Avellaneda, Luciano Gillo Baldor.
Ngayon ay magbabalik na naman sa loob ng boxing ring itong rising star ng Philippine boxing na walang iba kundi si Kenneth Llyover. Makakalaban niya ang isang Argentinian fighter na si Luciano Baldor. Magaganap ang bakbakan nila doon sa Bishkek Arena sa bansang Kyrgyzstan. Sa laban na to ay tangan-tangan ng ating kababayan ang kanyang malinis na kartada na may 15 wins with 10 knockouts at wala pang talo. Habang ang makakalaban niya naman na si Baldor ay may record na 21 wins with only 1 knockout at may 4 na talo. Ang bakbakan nila ay isang 10-rounder bout. Ang laban sana na ito ni Kenneth Llyover ay para sa isang title eliminator. Kaso hindi nga yun natuloy, kaya naman ang Argentinian fighter na lamang ang kanyang makakalaban. Noong nakaraang buwan ng Agosto ang huling pagsampa sa ibabaw ng lona nitong ating bida, kung saan ay kanyang pinatumba at tinalo ang dating world champion na si Luis Concepcion.
Corner of Llyover asking him to bore in. Crowd sensing something special.
Concepcion is staggering around the ring, taking a lot of punishment now.
Trying to use the ropes as protection.
And the referees almost close to stopping this fight. And they stopped it. They stopped the fight.
At bago ang laban ng Llyover versus Baldor ay narito at atin munang balikan ang huling mga laban ng dalawang boksingerong ito. Pero bago yan, paki-like mo muna itong ating video at mag-subscribe ka na din sa ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat mga sir!
Again, referee warning them about the headbutts, clash of heads.
The thing is, yung sa height difference sila medyo possible talaga mangyari yung mga headbutts yan, lalo na they're both, you know, moving forward sabay.
Kurihara with a good right there. Again, a lead right.
Those are very landing really good punches.
Landed with a good left over there.
Another one. very careful siyang bumato eh.
So this is where Kurihara's veteran, being a veteran comes in. You can see him, he's stalking, but he's slowing down the fight. He's coming in very, very patient.
And ito, in the case of Kenneth Lugar naman, he's very relaxed, very patient, very confident dito sa laban to, which is good.
He's using his footwork, his in and out, labas pasok. And he's really throwing his punches with
wow.
pressure. Yes, that's a
Wow.
good left.
Is it? Count. Yes.
Yes.
First knockdown of the fight. First round pa lang. Could this be a preview of good things to come for Kenneth Lugar? Hindi na tumitigil si Kenneth Lugar. Oh!
Good.
Bilang ulit.
That was a clean left.
Very clean. Medyo
Clean left. Maraming mga taong
oh!
another
30
good
seconds.
left. That's it.
Wow!
That's it.
Yes!
Another TKO victory.
Very beautiful.
Arriba. Lleva yendo la vuelta número 1. Boxeo en Tex Sports. La etiqueta de cada fin de semana. En esta noche que tiene calidad de revancha con Peralta, con Ahumada. Ambos fueron, llegó a la derecha.
Vamos en boxeo de primera, veíamos la buena mano de Botelli, pero el round fue para Baldor 19. Trabajó constante desde el principio hasta el final, con la izquierda extendida, llegando con algún upper cuando quiso achicar el salteño. Todo para algún desprevenido, Perazo, para el campeón argentino, que es Baldor.
Arranca la vuelta 2. Fallando Botelli en 2 oportunidades. El empellón de Baldor. Se empieza a empiojar la pelea. Buena por mano izquierda primero de...
Big right hand.
Cracking shot.
His balance, his legs buckled from under him. And right hand, a big one. And go.
We'll try again.
Punch shot missing, but look at him go.
Lugar is going for it. Lugar swinging, throwing everything. And there's the knockdown. Here's the second.
A testament to his staying power and to his fighting ability.
Lugar asking him to bore in. Crowd sensing something special.
Concepcion is staggering around the ring, taking a lot of punishment now.
Trying to use the ropes as protection.
Referees almost close to stopping this fight, and they stopped it. They stopped the fight.
So yun lamang ang video natin sa araw na to. Mag-iwan lamang na inyong komento at huwag mo sana kalimutang mag-like or mag-subscribe. At i-share na rin ang ating video. At muli, daghang salamat.